The first thing you should do in a smart room is find the touch panel. It will be located on the top of the desk at the teacher's station. Different rooms have touch panels that look slightly different, but the important thing is they will all have a button which says turn the room on, or turn system on, or something else to that effect. This touch panel also has a record your class button because this is also a capture room, but for now you don't have to worry about that. Just check that the system status is ready and press turn system on. You will hear some clicks and some mechanical noises and some beeps. That means everything is working, and just wait for a couple of minutes and everything will come on. During this time, you can turn on your computer, because while the touch panel will turn on all of the audiovisual equipment in the room, it will not turn on your computer for you. You can also turn on any device which has a sticker on it that says turn on manually. Now your system is on, it defaults to showing the document camera on your projector. Here you can change the volume that your students will hear. This is a preview of what is showing on the projector, so you don't have to keep turning around and looking. You can also select computer. Console computer is the computer that is in your teacher station. If you plug in a laptop computer in the cable cubby, you can also select that to project. You can also play a DVD for your students using the DVD player, which you'll find under your desk. And you can plug in an additional device to display whatever content you have for your students. We also have a tuner, so you can display a TV channel. This room has an instructor camera because it is a capture room where you can record your lectures. But for now you don't need to worry about that because that is not a normal feature of smart rooms. When you want to turn the room off, you just need to press main menu and then exit and off. Other rooms will have only one button push. This room is probably the most complicated with 3. During this time it says system cooling down, please wait. Again, don't touch the touch panel because it's busy. If the projector does not turn off when this is completely finished, call help desk and let us know, and we will make sure to fix that problem. In some rooms, you will come in and you will find the touch panel, but you won't see any buttons on it. In that case, all you need to do is touch the screen. And just like in the other room, you can check that it says system ready and press system on. Now this looks very different, but the same basic controls are there. You can press volume up and volume down on the main screen. You can also go to the main menu and select whatever source you would like to view. If you want to turn the room off, touch exit and then system off, just like before. Here's a touch panel which looks very different from the other ones. Instead of saying turn system on, you touch the screen to begin. And then here you can scroll through your different sources, such as document camera, or room PC, laptop HDMI, and laptop VGA. You can also adjust your volume up at the top, or you can mute it. And then when you want to turn the room off, all you need to do is select power and confirm.